Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, so today I want to presentation Pecak Kusa about country destination, specifically France. So in France, there are many brand, there are many actor, there are many sport in France, and there are some work that we can do in there, and there are many popular place to visit in France. Now I will discuss it. So the first is the geography of France. So France is a big country that have 68.6 million population in France, and in France, it's take the top 23 in this world. There are the first is China's, India's, and Indonesia. So in the tourist and frames, there are three places that I want to discuss about. There are Eiffel Tower, Louvre Museum, and last is Champs Elysees and Arc de Triomphe. So the Eiffel Tower, as we know, there are tower that are iconic in France, and there are place to take a photo, or you can climb or using lift to the top of the Eiffel Tower. The second is Louvre Museum. These are famous because there are the place of the Mona Lisa pictures of drawing of Mona Lisas, and there are many uh, picture that we can see in the Louvre Museum. Last is Champs Elysees and Arc de Triomphe. This place is iconic of France too. There are place to buy some accessories. You can buy some food, drink, and others in the Champs Elysees and Arc de Triomphe. Next, we have French festival and tradition. There are many, but I cannot tell them all. So the first is Bastille Day in July 40. Is same like Indonesian 17 August. There are tradition that celebrate their French Revolution, and there's doing some like firework or a party in July 14. And next, there are Fete de la Musique. This is National Music Festival in the France. There are both amateur and professional musicians perform in the France. There are like performing their song or others that can be shown in the France in June 21. There are Christmas like as we know, like in December, there are snow and there is some party in that day because popular of the snow there are be in December or the winter seasons. And this Easter, this is like a party that our children get tasked to collect them the chocolate egg. There are bills 5 bags from Roms bring this trust that are bringing goodness. And last is La Chandeleur in February 2. Now as Creepy Day is a traditional party in France. They're like grabbing holding a coin in the others, and there's trust that it's bringing benefit to them. And then there is transportation in France. In France, there are metro and public transports. There are like bus and train and others. You can like rent a car in there. And next is TGV or train a grande vitesse. There is popular because of the fast train that are this name. This are fast train. Next to the football in France. This is one of the sport that I want to discuss. This is have the league name League One. There are PSG, AS Monaco, and others. But the most popular team in that In France, there are PSG like Paris Saint-Germain. There are the iconic name of the France, and Paris Saint-Germain having the top club that are having the title of the League One. And then this is the popular food in France. I want to discuss about the bread. There are croissant and baguette. There are two popular bread that are have in the France. The iconic of France is croissant and baguette, and these two foods are iconic for their breakfast or their food when while they are work. This is two are iconic, and if you want to work like in cafe, you can just buy these two because these are good. These two actor in France that I want to highlight. There are Jean Reno. They are playing in the Leon the Professional, and this Marion Cotillard. They are playing in the Batman the Dark Knight Rise. These two actor are a great actor, and the Marion get the Oscar uh, achievement, and there are many others actor that are popular, but I cannot showing them all because of the presentation slide. And maybe like there is not just actor, there are artists, and like football player can to be actress like Mbappe, Chouameni, and others. That I want to highlight these two actually. This is the famous brand in France. There are Louis Vuitton. There are like clothes uh, brand, and others Dior too. They are iconic with the perfume and others. And there is are many brand that are famous in France too, like others, but I cannot showing them here. Yeah, so okay, this is the last, but I want to show like one thing, like there are the currency in France. They are using the dollars, and using dollars too like others, and I want to give some last. This is the France. There are a big country that I want to visit. One of the country that I want to visit. There are a good player of football. There is a good actor. There is a great food, delicious food, and there are popular brands. There are pricey because there is a big brand there, so it must be highly pricely. And for the population, there are big, and there are place to work, and for the incoming is so big. Okay, that's all from me. Shukron for watching my presentation. So, shukron. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi. Okay, a big country, France. This is one of the country that I want to visit because there are many brand, many actor, many football player. There are I being fans of them. But the place that I want to visit there is the PSG Stadium because there are a place there are iconic of the Paris, and there are the main football team in France. Oke, syukron. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.